Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting comparison between the two of Apple flagship smartphones, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. In the top 5 show clicking between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Number 1. Design. The rear design of the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a vertical camera layout with the three lenses arranged in a triangular formation within a square model. The back is a model of a singular piece of glass providing a sleek and premium look. The camera model slightly protrudes from a back housing the LiDAR sensor and flagship. The rear design of the iPhone 17 Pro Max expected to introduce a horizontal camera layout resembling a bar that spans across the top position of a back, similarly to the design seen in Google Pixel series. The back may adopt a two-tone design combining aluminum and glass, with the upper half being aluminum to house and the camera system and the lower half remaining glass to support wireless charging. This new layout aims to provide a fresh aesthetic and potentially improve weight distribution. The frame material of the iPhone 16 Pro Max utilizes a titanium frame offering durability and a premium feel. The titanium construction contributes to a lighter weight compared to previous stainless steel model. The frame material of the iPhone 17 Pro Max room to shift from a titanium to an aluminum frame, which may further reduce the weight devices. The aluminum frame combined with the two-tone back design aim to enhance durability and maintaining a sleek appearance. The dynamic island of the iPhone 16 Pro Max features the standard dynamic island size introduced in a previous model. The dynamic island houses the front camera and face ID sensor, integrating notification and live activity seamlessly. The dynamic island of the iPhone 17 Pro Max expected to have a smaller dynamic island, enhancing screen real estate and providing a more immersive display experience. The reduction in size is an attribution to the adoption of Meta Lens technology, which allows for a more concept Face ID component. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is anticipated to bring a significant design change compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The shift to a horizontal camera layout and a two-tone aluminum glass back design make a departure from a traditional iPhone aesthetic. Additionally, the move from a titanium to an aluminum frame may result in a lighter device, while the smaller dynamic island aim to offer a more immersive display experience. This design enhancement reflects Apple's ongoing effort to innovate and improve user experience. If you prioritize cutting-edge design and a more immersive display, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may be a compelling upgrade over the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Number 2. The camera upgrade between the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a comparison with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The rear camera system of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The main camera 48 megapixel sensor with the 24 mm focal length and f/1.7 aperture. Ultra wide camera 48 megapixel sensor with the 13 mm focal length and f/2.2 aperture. Telephoto camera 12 megapixel sensor with the 120 mm focal length and f/2.8 aperture, featuring a tetraprism design for 5x optical zoom and up to 25x digital zoom. The rear camera system of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The main camera 48 megapixel sensor and the ultra-wide camera 48 megapixel sensor. Telephoto camera upgraded to 48 megapixel sensor potentially with the 3.5x optical zoom, 85 mm equivalent focal length, offering improved low light performance and flexibility in cropping images. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is anticipated to feature 48 megapixel sensor across all three rear camera, enhancing photo clarity and detail. The upgraded telephoto lens is expected to provide better optical zoom capability and improve performance in the widest light condition. The front camera of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Front camera 12 megapixel. The front camera of the iPhone 17 Pro Max upgraded to a 24 megapixel sensor, doubling the resolution for a sharper selfie and video call. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to offer a significant improvement in front-facing camera resolution, enhancing the quality of selfie and video communication. The video recording of the iPhone 16 Pro Max support up to 4K video recording at widest frame rate, including double vision and ProRes format. The video recording of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Potential support for 8K video recording leveraging the 48 megapixel sensor across all rear camera. These would allow for ultra high definition video capture and more flexibility in post-production editing. The anticipated 8K video recording capability of the iPhone 17 Pro Max would provide a user with the high-resolution video content suitable for professional-grade videography and future-proofing content creation. Certainly, let's delve into a detailed comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. Focusing on their performance enhancement, this analysis will cover a processor, RAM, and cooling system, providing insight into how the component contribute to all user experience. Number 3. The performance enhancement. Built using a TSMC second generation 3nm processor N3E, the A18 Pro chip offers improved performance and energy efficiency over its predecessor. Feature a 6-core CPU, 2 high-performance core and 4 efficiency core, a 6-core GPU and a 16 neural engine capability of 35 trillion operations per second. The A18 Pro chip enhanced AI-related tasks and support advanced features like Apple Intelligence, providing a seamless user experiences. The iPhone 17 Pro Max A19 Pro chip, expected to utilize the TSMC latest 3nm processor N3P, which offers higher transistor density and improved energy efficiency compared to N3E. Removed to feature an 8-core CPU with 6 efficiency core, delivering faster processing speed and better multitasking capability. The A19 Pro chip is anticipated to provide a significant boost in speed and efficiency, enabling a smoother operation of resources-intensive applications and extend battery life. The RAM of iPhone 16 Pro Max, equipped with the 8GB of RAM, which support efficient multitasking and smooth performance for most applications. The RAM of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, expected to come with the 12GB of RAM, marking a 50% increase over the previous model. The additional RAM will enhance multitasking capability, allow for smoother operation for demanding application, and future-proof the device for upcoming software feature, including advanced AI functionalities. The cooling system of the iPhone 16 Pro Max utilizes a standard thermal management system without vapor chamber technology. While efficiency for general user, the absence of advanced cooling solution may lead to thermal throttling during prolonged intensive tasks such as gaming or 4K video recording. The cooling system of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, anticipated to feature a vapor chamber cooling system first for iPhone, which will help dissipate heat more efficiency. This advanced cooling technology will maintain optimal performance during intensive tasks, prevent overheating, and contribute to the longevity of the device. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is supposed to offer a substantial performance enhancement over the iPhone 16 Pro Max, transitioning from the A18 Pro chip to A19 Pro chip, offering improved speed and energy efficiency, from 8GB to 12GB, facilitating better multitasking and support for advanced features. Introduction of vapor chamber cooling technology to maintain performance during intensive use. This upgrade suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will deliver a more powerful and efficient user experience, making it a compelling choice for users seeking top-tier performance in their smartphone. Number 4. Battery and charging. The battery capacity of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The battery size of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is 4685 mAh, and the battery capacity of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The battery size of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is approximately 4700 mAh. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is anticipated to have a slightly larger battery compared to the predecessor, potentially offer extended usage time. The charging capability of the iPhone 16 Pro Max support up to 27W via USB-C, MagSafe charging up to 25W or 30W adapter or high QI wireless charging up to 15W. The charging capability of the iPhone 17 Pro Max rumored to support faster wire charging potentially up to 35W. Expected to maintain a MagSafe charging capability with the potential enhancement. Anticipated to introduce reverse wireless charging, allowing the device to charge accessories like an AirPod, Apple Watch. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to offer faster wire charging and introduce reverse wireless charging, enhancing convenience for the user with the multiple Apple devices. The battery expectation life of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The video playback up to 33 hours and the audio playback up to 105 hours. The battery life expectation of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The video playback room to offer up to 28 hours, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max may have slightly shorter video playback time compared to the predecessor. Improvement in battery technology and efficiency could result better overall performance in daily usage. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is anticipated to bring most improvement in battery capacity and efficient and significant enhancement in charging capability, including faster wire charging and the introduction of reverse wireless charging. This upgrade aims to provide users with more flexibility and convenience, it managing their choice power needs. Number 5. Connectivity and additional feature. The connectivity of the iPhone 16 Pro Max support Wi-Fi 7 utilizing Qualcomm Snapdragon X71 5G modem, equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X71 5G modem offering robust 5G connectivity. The connectivity of the iPhone 17 Pro Max anticipates to feature Apple in-house Wi-Fi 7 chip, potentially enhancing wireless performance and efficiency. While specific details are unconfirmed, Apple may continue using Qualcomm modem or introduce own solution. The software of the iPhone 16 Pro Max launched with the iOS 18, introducing features like Apple Intelligence, enhanced Siri capability, and improved privacy control. The software of the iPhone 17 Pro Max will ship with the iOS 19, expected to bring a significant update, including inspired by Vision OS feature translocate element and a relocate search bar for improved usability, AI-driven upgrade for smarter context-aware assistance, AI integration for personalized coaching and wellness tracking, end-to-end encryption for RCS message and live translation feature via AirPods. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to introduce significant enhancement in both connectivity and software. The shift to an Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip may offer improved wireless performance, while iOS 19 is poised to deliver a major intelligent and user-friendly experience throughout into AI-driven feature and redesigned interface. Thanks for joining me in this comprehensive comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. We have delivered into the various aspects from design and camera upgrade to performance enhancement and connectivity feature. It is clear that Apple continue to innovative, offering user more advanced technology with each new release. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider liking it. Your support help the channel grow and allow users to bring you more detailed review and compare. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss your future content, including in-depth analysis, unboxing, and comparison of the latest tech product. Also share this video with the friends or family who might deciding between these two models. Your recommendation mean a lot to use and help our community expand. If you have any questions or thoughts about the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the iPhone 17 Pro Max, leave in the comments below. I love hearing from you and will my best to respond to each one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.